Applications of ultrasound. We all know very well ultrasounds have high frequency, so they can travel in a straight line path. Due to high frequency, they are used extensively in the industries and medical purposes. Now we will discuss some of the applications of the ultrasound. Cleaner. Ultrasounds are used to clean the parts located in hard to reach places. Example: spiral tubes, electronic components, medical components, etc. Basically what do we do? हम लोग एक अल्ट्रासोनिक क्लीनिंग चैम्बर लेते हैं, उसके अंदर हम लोग जिन मटेरियल को, जिन यूटेंसिल्स को हमें क्लीन करना है, उनको हम लोग रख देते हैं. Then we add some cleaning solution also. This is the cleaning solution. And finally, we pass the ultrasound through this solution. Due to high frequency, जो भी dust होगी, grease होगी, dirt होगी, it will be detached and drop out. And finally, object will be cleaned. We can see this through an demonstration. Second application, detectors. To detect the internal crack in the metal blocks, we use the ultrasound. In the left block, there is no crack. So when we incident the ultrasound on this metal block, this passes through the block, does not reflect back. Right block, there is some crack which is visible to all of you. It is inside the metal. It is not visible from outside, but it is inside the metal. Again, we incident the ultrasound like this. But all the ultrasounds are not reaching to the opposite face. It means this block has a defect, because internal crack or hole in the block does not allow ultrasonic wave to pass through it. Another application of the ultrasound is ultrasonography. We use for diagnostic purpose or medical purpose. Sound in the range 1 to 10 megahertz are used by the doctors. You can see in the demonstration. Ultrasound scanner is an instrument which uses ultrasonic wave for getting images of internal organs of the human body. In this technique, the ultrasonic waves travel through the tissue of the body and get reflected from the region where there is a change of tissue density. These waves are then converted into electrical signal that are used to generate images of the organ. These images are then displayed on a monitor or printed on a film. This technique we called ultrasonography. Another use of the ultrasound is surgery. Ultrasound is used to break up the kidney stones into the smaller pieces so that they can be flushed out with urine without great discomfort. We see the animation. Basically, kidney stones can form inside our kidney from substance in our urine. Most are very small enough to pass out of our body through our urinary tract. But some kidney stones get stuck when they are too large to pass. The stone can block our urine. From flowing and cause a lot of pain. Ultrasonic machine will aim shock wave at the kidney stones. Shock waves are high energy sound waves that will break up the stone into tiny pieces. After the procedure, the small pieces pass out from our body when we go to toilet. Another application of ultrasound Emulsion of immiscible liquid. We know water cannot mix with the oil easily. But when we pass the strong beam of the ultrasound through the liquid or through the mixture, it is heated to very high temperature, and this fact is utilization in the emulsification. Look at the activity.